Hi guys, so I wanted to come on here to show you some tips on how to navigate the kits on the Lion Brand website. So when you get onto the Lion Brand website, you're just going to want to click on the three lines in the top left corner, and then you're going to want to click on the plus sign next to kits. After that, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you see Shop All Kits and click on that. Now on the left, there's going to be our little sort feature. It's going to say date, new to old. But when you click on that, you can change the way that you sort it with things such as the price, or you can sort by also bestsellers, which is what I'm doing right now. So now when you click on that, it'll just show you a list of all of our bestsellers. Another way to filter is to click on filters, and this will give you things such as craft type, skill level, project type. Here I'm just going to click on yarn used, and when I do that, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and find Kobu, which is what I'm looking for right now. And now it's just going to give us all of the kits that are made with Kobu yarn. Now I'm going to show you how to change the color of yarn when you're ordering your kits. So here I'm just going to click on this Uptown cardigan and scroll down a little bit until I see the color. Here it's right now in the Kobu in the color silver, but if I just click on this change color tab, it'll give me an array of all of the available Kobu colors. So I've just clicked on this magenta, and now you can see it changed from that silver color to the magenta color. Now if I add this pattern or this kit to my cart, it will be added with that new color.